why both the words differently used in this? Two different words are used. What is the logic behind it?
Your Lordship, usually words are to be used in a manner to convey the same meaning, but sometimes I think for drafting elegance or drafting error, depending upon how your Lordships look at it, a different word is used. Your Lordships have dealt with the issue in the Pakistan fisheries case. I placed the citation that sometimes it's not an invariable rule that different words must always be given a different meaning. Different words can be given the same meaning looking at the context of the provision. So the submission before your Lordships is that for us, what has happened in the facts of this case is that the party before your Lordship is the SIC. It is not disputed that, in view of the letter which I just read out to your Lordship, that SIC did not field any candidate on a party ticket for the general elections. It is also not disputed that there was no party's list for reserved.
Makhdoom Saab,
Sir.
जो अभी हमें inform किया गया है, subject to what the Election Commission confirms, we have been informed that the nomination papers, the declaration given was that of SIC. So now the situation may be totally different. It is not undisputed, subject to what the Election Commission confirms. If that declaration was given, then the gentleman was a candidate of SIC.
My Lord,
And that is what the seat was secured by SIC in the National Assembly.
There must be a certificate of affiliation
Lord,
from...
may I, your Lordship, this was something extraneous to the petition. It is not there in the body of the petition or the appeal. It has been said over here, but I was referring your Lordship to a document which has been filed by the Election Commission. It was on that basis that I made that submission. May I respectfully draw your Lordship's attention again to CMA 5840 of 2024 in Civil Appeal 333 at page 111.
Makhdoom Saab, वो आप बाद में हम देख लेंगे once the Election Commission confirms.
But I was...
that will be the factual position.
My Lord, the factual position also is that at the moment, there is, that factual position may change, but at the moment, there is a letter on the record dated 26th February 2024, signed by Sahibzada Muhammad Hamid Raza, Chairman, Sunni Ittihad Council, which states categorically on 26th February 2024 that no candidate contested in the general elections 2024 on the symbol of Sunni Ittihad Council. Therefore, the list regarding women candidates does not exist and is not submitted.
Symbol जो है has not, speaking for myself, has nothing to do with the fact whether a candidate has contested the elections as an independent or as a party candidate. It is his declaration in the nomination papers which would be crucial.
My Lord, that is, I am not privy to that, but that will come before.
And it's
your
also relevant, as we've just been told, and subject to what the Election Commission says, that was he denied contesting the election against the symbol of the horse, and why was he denied that, which made him also, compelled him to contest as an independent. So it changes the way this case has been argued.
I do not, your ladyship, dispute that observation. May I only submit that this was not the case set up before the Election Commission or in the pleadings before the High Court or in the petition or appeal before your ladyship
So
and your
then let's not
lordship.
rely on this fact for now until it's confirmed.
Well, I am only saying that this fact has not even been alleged. throughout these proceedings, this is not a contested fact.
This
This is-
letter does not show that they were denied the symbol or they were not allowed to contest it. It's
this-
a very simple letter. They themselves informed the ECP.
This letter
Not
does,
the case.
this letter does not show, and my lord, the pleadings do not show that they wanted to contest and on the symbol of a horse.
It means
as-
that there was a single symbol, the
SIC.
symbol was available. They say that nobody contested the election on
Yes.
the symbol. It means
Yes.
there was a symbol. Otherwise, so there was no mentioning of symbol.
this
if
is-
it was snatched by the ECP, then
This-
what is the fun of mentioning this case? Nobody contested the election on the symbol.
My
There
lord-
was a symbol then.
Insofar as I am concerned, till this disclosure made this morning, this was the undisputed position from the pleadings of the parties.